So for 3b, the temperature of a kiln T degrees centigrade is used to make pottery and can be modelled by the equation T is equal to 1100 add 5 cos of x over 3 minus 8 sine of x over 3, where x is the time in hours since the pottery was placed in the kiln. Calculate the maximum value of T predicted by this model and the value of x to 2 decimal places when this maximum first occurs. So what we have to identify is that what we've got here is very similar to what we've just worked out. So we can say that T is equal to 1100 plus, and then we're going to use our value from here, root 89 cos. Now instead of theta we've got x over 3, and we've got to add 1.0122. So looking at this, what we can say is that we have 1100 that can never change as it's a constant. We have root 89 that can never change because it's a constant. And we've now got this one part here that can actually change. So the maximum value is going to be 1100 add root 89 times by when this cos part here is at its maximum. Now a cosine curve will go between 1 and minus 1, so that's when it's equal to 1. So we've got 1100 add root 89, which is going to give us 1109.43 as the maximum value. But we're also asked to find the value of x to 2 decimal places at which this first occurs. Now we've already kind of worked out part of it because we said that these values here are constants and can never change. So we want to find it when this part is equal to 1. So what we do is we say cos of x over 3 add 1.0122 is equal to 1. And then we can arc cos that, and we get that x over 3 add 1.0122 is equal to 0. Now the issue is we're going to have a negative amount of time here, which doesn't make any sense. So we're not going to take the 0 answer, we're going to take the 2 pi answer as it comes back round again. So if you think of a cast diagram, you've got 0 and you've got 2 pi here, so we're taking the 2 pi answer. So we're then going to take the 1.0122 over and times by 3, and we're going to end up with an x value of 15.81 hours.